Another busy day in the ER. Patients to see, systems running, everything normal. Let us check on room 4 next.
Already pulling
All clinical staff to stations. All computers offline. This is not a drill.
What just happened? All my monitors are down.
The whole system is down. The whole hospital network. How is that possible?
Hospital ransomware attack detected. Estimated recovery time unknown.
90/60. Heart rate manual going back to medicine from 30 years ago.
Without the computer system, we cannot verify medication safely. We can't see patient history.
Every decision is more dangerous.
Ransomware demand received. $2 million. Or patient data goes pop.
People's health information. Their private medical histories. All of it threatened.
People's health information, their private medical histories, all of it threatened.
System restore at 45%. Still offline. All critical functions manual only.
This is the 5th night without real sleep. Every patient decision is now on us manually. The risk has never been higher.
We are managing.
System fully restored. All servers online. Hospital infrastructure recovered.
Experienced happened in 2026 across multiple hospitals in America. Ransomware attacks on healthcare have become the #1 threat to patient safety. One hospital attack cost $7.42 million. Another took 10 days to recover. During that time, patients went without proper monitoring. Some patients died, not from disease, but from system failure. The lesson is simple. 1, hospitals must have complete backup systems separate from main networks, not connected, not vulnerable to the same attack. 2, staff must practice manual procedures regularly before an attack happens, not during. 3, never trust a single network connection for critical systems. 4, suspicious activity must be reported immediately, not ignored. The next hospital attack is coming. The only question is whether they will be ready. This is HackStories. Real stories, real lessons. Stay safe, stay smart. See you next week.